I've slowed it back down again so you can see how I do this part of the leather. So you get to see it in fairly good detail twice. So blocking in the blacks. And if there's lots of little undulations and lots of little changes, you know, do one section at the time that I've just done, because that is a bit easier to follow then, and you're not going to get too lost within it. So you see I'm getting the black in first, then I'm putting the blue, more reflective part on there, because even though we know that this leather is a very dark black, it's obviously catching the light of the sky. It must be a nice blue, probably a summer's day above, and that blue is catching on that black leather, and that's giving us that shiny appearance and stopping it having a dead look. I'm not going too bright too early either, and it's not critical to get that exact colour. So it goes a bit lighter on the end, but I'll concentrate on that bit when I'm doing the background as well. You can see on the left on my reference photo I've actually sellotaped some A4s together to make my printout the right size. That helps me then in judging these things much more easily than working from a very small photograph. Just a little blend with my finger there, but I'll come back and tidy all that up. But it's giving that impression of the leather curling around on the edge. Yeah, it's a little bit brighter now. I could have put that highlight in first and it would have gone even brighter, but I know I can come back in with that Caran d'Ache. Once the background's in, I'll lose that black edge to it then on the very tip, and I can make it really bright because it's only got a couple of layers of pastel actually on there. Now just a little suggestion there, just a little dotted line, because I don't need to put in every single stitch. Just darkening this back edge a bit, and then I'll start and do the bottom section in exactly the same format, exactly the same way. You can really see how the blue on top of that black really makes it look a lot more realistic. Just wanted to quickly mention my Patreon channel for those looking for even more in-depth art instruction. It's packed full of pastel videos, oil videos as well, and those videos are being added to new ones every single month. I have videos for the complete beginner that have never done pastels or oils before with just limited supplies, and I take you from the very first blocking in all the way through to the final detailed drawings and paintings. I've also got some really unusual subjects as well, and in all of my videos I always take you through all the details. You see everything I do, how I create my work. But it's not just for beginners, it's also for novices, and I also show the best artwork that I've ever done as well. And this particular elephant video spans 6 hours, so you know you're going to see tons and tons of details, tips and techniques. And as mentioned, I've got lots of oil videos on there too, so there really is something for everybody, and you get access to hundreds of hours worth of videos for just $4. Now over 1,000 members strong. Hope to see you there soon.